Assalamualaikum and good morning. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Muhammad Nabil Nazmi from Polytechnic Banting, Selangor. My presentation structure as in the outline. As a background, data released by the Department of Statistics Malaysia shows that the construction sector contribute 4.9%, 66.71 billion to the gross domestic product in 2018. So in the construction sector, a step ladder is key construction accessories that are required for contractor or roofer to reach their target. Used as climbing approaches to achieve gather height. Step ladder are also useful in the house or the garden to reach things that are not too high, such as ceiling. The challenges with the traditional step ladder are it need to be manually move around. The operator need to climb up and down several times to move the ladder to decide position. Thus, this is time and energy consuming. Therefore, the objective of the innovation of the smart step ladder facilities the operator in controlling the movement using a mobile application controller to move the ladder around will save time to complete the task in since the operator does not have to climb up and down ladder to change the position. This will increase the efficiency, faster, easy, saver, and reduce the energy of manpower. This innovation is target the light construction and maintenance work also for domestic use. The design methodology of these innovations started with comprised design using CAD Inventor. Mechanical part need this design a step ladder which in aluminium foldable ladder, power window motor, and a pair of heavy duty caster wheel. Electric part needed in this design rechargeable battery, power source, direct current, Arduino, also apps controller. The design methodology of this innovation include metal joining well for fabrication of the mechanical part and electrical part that include the power source connection circuit and rechargeable battery, also the programming part. The controller of movement of the smart step ladder by the operator using a mobile phone is developed using IoT, also Arduino. The operator can control movement of the step ladder while still being on either using input keypad on the mobile app or using voice control. Shown in the figure is the interface of the controller apps and the mechanism of the movement control. The complete project features as start in figure. Variation of smart step ladder movement using apps control is to the front, back, turn left and right. Other important design criteria such as safety features, storage and maintenance are also being considered. A speed test and load test was conducted during the development process. This is to measure the capability and functionality of this innovation from the test result. Now let us look the demonstration for this innovation. Alright, ini adalah smart step ladder. So cara untuk hidupkan dia adalah dekat sini ada butang on dia. So bila dia dah hidup, dia akan berkelip macam ni. Sini dia akan berkelip. Okay, bila dia dah berkelip macam ni, kita akan on sini. Kita akan onkan Bluetooth. Onkan Bluetooth kita, apps controller ni.
Kita balik kat Bluetooth. So kita cari nama dia. Nama dia adalah HC05. Okay, kita tekan HC05. Okay, kat sini. So dia, bila dia connect, dia akan berkedip sebanyak 3 kali. Okay, dia dah keluar macam tu. So kita boleh pakai kita punya apps ni. Kita tekan forward. So stop, kita reverse. Stop. Okay. So kita ke depan balik. So speed ni kita boleh tambah kat sini. Kita nak up laju, boleh tambah. Okay, laju. Okay. Okay. Kita ke belakang balik. So kita kurangkan begini speed. So selain daripada button-button ni, kita juga boleh pakai voice. Kita aktifkan voice. Dia cakap forward. Dia akan gerak.
Finally, I would like to summarize this presentation with the contribution of this innovation. This will benefit in the following ways: construction sector, with contractor, roofer, domestic use, home or garden, provide exposure of IoT application in the design construction tools, minimize human effort, ultimately save time, create an environment for effective resource utilization, improve security and safety of operator. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you for your attention.